Hi, I'm Stuart Lawrence, Technical Services Manager here at Wren Kitchens. First of all, I'd like to thank you for choosing our Vogue flat pack range. I am now going to demonstrate for you the assembly of your chosen units. It is important to take care when opening your packaging. Always read the instructions in full before assembly, as parts and processes can vary depending on the unit. Laying the box down flat to be opened will create your working space area. Carefully remove the parts from the packaging, remembering to check the quality and for any missing items. Lay out all your fixtures. Separating will make it easier to distinguish the different fittings. Insert all the fixings into the pre-drilled holes, ensuring all pieces are aligned correctly. The arrows on the cam locks must be facing outwards to allow ease of tightening, and repeat this process where required. Now, assembling the unit. Place the panels over the fixings and push together, making sure the cam locks are correctly tightened. Slide the back panel marked A into the groove of the end panels. Once the back panel is in position, check it is flush with the base of the unit and check the carcass is square. Using the screws provided, secure the back panel with equal spacing. When attaching the legs, ensure they are rotated as shown so the outer edge is supporting the end panels, and fix into position. Push leg firmly down into the leg base and adjust the height accordingly. Secure the hinge plate with the fixing provided.